In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up webhooks for HubSpot private apps. Whether you're looking to automate notifications or streamline integrations, knowing how to configure webhooks can be a game changer for your operations. So let's dive right in. First up, you need to start by going to the HubSpot website. This is the central hub for all your management tools and resources. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you're not already logged into HubSpot, make sure your credentials are ready. Head to the login section and enter your details. It's essential to be logged into the correct account that has administrative access, as this will allow you to fully proceed with setting up webhooks. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot dashboard. This is typically referred to as the HubSpot home. From here, you need to navigate towards the settings. You'll find the settings icon typically in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Clicking on it will open a menu filled with options that allow you to customize and manage different aspects of your HubSpot account. Navigate to the integration section. This is where all the magic happens, especially if you wish to create a cohesive ecosystem between HubSpot and the other tools you use. Within the integration section, you'll see an option for private apps. Click on it. This will direct you to the dashboard specifically designed for managing your custom integrations. Private apps in HubSpot serve as a fantastic way to facilitate secure and personalized integrations tailored to your business needs. Now, it's time to create a private app. Find the button that says Create a Private App and click on it. Doing so will guide you through setting up a new app, which primarily involves defining its name, description, and scope of capabilities. Details provided here help maintain clarity on what each app is designed to do within your business operations. Once your private app is set up, you're going to shift your focus to webhooks. Click on the webhooks option. Webhooks enable your applications to receive real-time data from your HubSpot account by specifying a URL where the webhook payload can be sent. Ensure you configure the webhook settings correctly, specifying parameters like event subscriptions or notification preferences according to your needs. By following these steps thoroughly, you now have a well-set webhook in your HubSpot private app, ready to keep your systems updated and synchronized automatically. This setup will empower you to maintain communication between your app and HubSpot in a seamless manner. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your webhook setup straightforward and successful.